Hi there, today I'm talking about email list scrubbing to get you more sales because scrubbing your list is extremely important. I'm talking about your email list. So my name is Teresa Morrison and you're watching me on YouTube. My Facebook page is Teresa Morrison Coaching. You can get lots more videos there and they will help you in your online journey. So what is it? Scrubbing your email list is removing emails to clean your list. So you'll often find it just referred to as cleaning your list. What it means is that you remove people, their email addresses. You remove the people who have not clicked for 90 days. If they haven't clicked on any of the links that you put in your emails. And people who have not opened any of your emails for 60 days. Because all those people that aren't clicking your links, aren't opening your emails, they are not interested in what you're selling. They are not interested in your emails. So you could be sending fantastic content, fantastic value, maybe some entertainment as well, tips and strategies. If they're not interested, they're not reading them. You don't need them on your list. So why should you do it? Well, when you remove those unresponsive people, you increase your whole open rate percentage. Because you might feel, oh, I've lost a whole lot of people, but that means they are people that you could afford not to send emails to. They weren't reading them anyway. That increases your open rate percentage, which is a major metric that online businesses, especially email marketers, will be looking at to try and increase that constantly. They could also save you money because a lot of the autoresponders, email service providers out there, they charge according to how many people you have on your list. So if you have a cutoff point at 1,000 people, and at 1,000 people, they're going to put the price up. If you clean your list and it falls just below 1,000, you are saving yourself money. I have an autoresponder which does not charge you variable rates for variable list sizes. If you want to see that, I have talked about that in a separate video. I will attach a card, which should be up there in the corner, this side, up there, that way. So you can find out more about it at your leisure. So that could save you money. The third reason why is because it'll help you refine your marketing strategy. As I said, it's a fantastic metric, a way of seeing how effective your email marketing is and how you can increase its effectiveness. So you could use it as a tool to look at which subject lines, headlines are actually attracting people to open those emails. You could be writing the same email, different headlines. Split testing is the way to go. Self-cleaning oven effect. I only heard about this recently, and Misha Wilson said it. I don't think he is adopting it as his own theory, but it is just brilliant. It means that when you have a better list quality, it leads to more responsiveness to you, because you're the one who's writing those emails, and they're opening them, seeing that they're coming from you. They're responding to you. Then if they're more likely to click on the links, then they're more likely to buy through those links. So that will increase that rate of conversion from a click to a sale. Click to sale. Also, more customers can lead to repeat buyers because customers do tend to buy from the same person again. And that's very important to know whenever you are trying to build a stable business. So you're building up raving fans who basically will talk about you and jump onto your webinars, join your Facebook groups, join your Facebook page and write things about you and even do reviews about you. So they are your raving fans, and in the future they could be team leaders and they will have people below them. which will then maybe grow a downline for you, and that will really boost your business sevenfold, tenfold. It can explode from there. So make sure you subscribe to this page, this channel, and hit the bell so you get notifications of when my next videos go live. I have a Facebook page, Teresa Morrison Coaching. You can send me messages there. And as I said earlier, check out the videos there as well. They're very useful for someone setting up their own online business working from home. I hope you got value from today's video. You can like it, comment below as well. Bye for now.